Hello, welcome back to the new video. In today's video I'm going to go over the new event page that just released and the blog post that came along with it. So get started. And in the last two parts I went over some shop updates as well as this event page as there was a timer, but now that timer has ran out and we got some new things right over here. So let's read the blog post first, and that will actually give us a hint as to what is actually happening here. So on this blog post it says that, hello Brickhill users, the Halloween season is quickly approaching us, and with Brickhill has plenty of tricks and treats to give for the entire month of October. Read below for what's to come. And then right over here they say that there are some weekly activity cards, and there are the three up above. Whether you want to use these cards as tarot cards or playing cards, there is one thing for sure: they hold the great magic of revealing new fun. Come back to Brickhill each week, with week 1 running from October 4th, which is today, to October 8th, so about a 4-day span for when these 3 cards will actually be used. And the final week being week 4, running from October 24th to 29th, to see 3 unique cards released every week with new activities. So there's going to be 3 cards released every week for 4 weeks, and then there's going to be new activities or items getting hinted throughout, and they have dates actually on the back for when these will be released. So over here they do mention some of the things that are coming soon. We do have new items, and this Halloween features over 50 different items, including some that are returning right over there, which is pretty interesting. I think Headless Horseman is one of those examples, as it did return, and they said don't worry, many of these will be free of charge and can be earned from doing different tasks. And they hint that some of the cards might reveal a new addition to a series, which is pretty cool. Then we have these 2 sections at the bottom which are pretty interesting. It says that this Halloween you'll be able to show your creativity or submit a participation prize. There are many different opportunities taking place throughout the month. Each will have its own unique twists from the usual format, so be ready to have your ideas heard. So this contest section is actually pretty interesting, as they don't really specify that it is going to be a brick building contest, and they usually have a contest where you would have to build something. This actually leaves it out in the open, so that could be an art contest or some other contest, and they have a little twist as well, which is going to be pretty interesting. So we'll see what happens there, but I think this opens up idea for more contests, and if we look at the cards later, we'll actually see one of those actually being there. And then right over here, the last section being sets, which is actually games. So if you stop by to look at the fun this season, some cards may reveal some brand new event sets, lots of items to gain in each. And then they just mentioned that they don't want to spoil everything, but it will last until October 31st, so the rest of the month will have new things. So let's go back to these cards now and see what we can actually guess what these are based on what we see in the blog post. Now this first one, if you played for a while and you paid attention to the shop, this one could be quite obvious, but it is another addition to the Venom Root series, and this is a series of pumpkins that release one every year, and they release for pretty expensive, for hundreds of bucks usually. So if you want to get these and get the new edition, it's probably going to cost you quite a lot. And if you flip these over, it's currently not working right now on this page, but if you do flip them over, they actually have dates on the back, all 3 of them. This first one actually has the date of October 4th, so this first one is actually releasing today. So whatever this is, the Venom Root is actually going to be releasing today, so keep an eye out. It'll probably be around 800 bucks or around that price. It'll be out for some short amount of time, so if you're interested in that, you're going to need a lot of bucks saved. This next one is pretty interesting. It does look like an item, but I'm not sure if that is actually what it is referring to. It does remind me of these Spartan hats. There's the Galactic one, and there is also this Frostbitten one, so if they do a Halloween version, that'd be pretty cool, but I'm not sure if that is actually what it is referring to, so we'll have to see about this one. And this one actually has the date of October 6th, so in 2 days we'll see what this one means. The last one over here, this one is an easel with a little haunted mansion on the front, so this actually looks like it could be a hint to an art contest, as that is what easels are usually for, where you design art drawing there, and they have a little haunted mansion, so it might be an art contest to design a haunted mansion. That would be pretty cool. We'll have to see what happens actually there, but I think this actually is going to be an art contest, and the date on this one is October 8th, so we'll have to wait 4 days for this one to be revealed. So yeah, I do think this is actually a pretty cool update they have here. They do have some more event sections at the bottom right over here. The cards are just the weekly cards, so it seems like we're going to actually have a bit more sections revealing other things throughout the month. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I assume one of these is going to be items, a few of these are going to be games, and one of these is going to be a contest, so definitely going to be interesting there. And yeah, if you do want to check this blog post and event page out for yourself, I will leave the both link descriptions so you can look at them. But yeah, that's finished this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.